Hi, boys and girls. Look who's with me. It's Gingy, the gingerbread man. He is super excited, and he just got done telling me that we are going to be traveling to different places around the world and learn about different countries. So we want you to get ready with your gingerbread man. So in your packet, you have a gingerbread outline. So what you need to do is get your crayons out and decorate him so that he is your very perfect gingerbread man. You may even want a gingerbread girl and make some licorice hair, some eyelashes, but you get to decorate him however you like. So decorate your gingerbread for tomorrow, and then also get out all of your stuff for your passport, because we're going to take a look at each of these countries and find out a little bit more about them and why they are so amazing. All right, boys and girls, Gingy and I cannot wait to start traveling with you tomorrow. So get your gingerbread man completely ready to go and get your passport ready, because tomorrow we get to travel.